Hello viewers, let's see the problem of 4G, 5G, slow internet or weak penetration between walls or heavy steel wires. You can also see a comparative table between 3G and 5G focusing on signal penetration across walls and heavy steels. This table could also be verified from Google search engine or many AI webs. Now if you know that signal is 4G but there is only 2 bars of signal inside the room, and let me open this video. So you see it only play and then it's buffering. If I scroll it up so you can see it circling around, there is buffering and no smooth internet available against 4G. So let's fix this issue. Click on setting in your mobile and in settings go to connections, and in connection you will shortly see mobile networks, and now we will change the 5G system or preferred system network mode sim1 means from which you are taking internet. Open it and select 3G. Now note the bars of the signals. 4G is gone but signals are full and internet also go H+. Now let me back to videos and you can see that there is no buffering inside room. Same room. It's the same room where 4G internet signal was almost not available, but 3G penetrative power inside the room is on higher side. If you are dissatisfied with this setting, so you can simply switch back by reversing this process. Thanks for watching.